Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to write an authorization letter, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. It's actually quite simple, so if you follow this format, you'll be able to pretty much use it any way that you need. So let's check it out. So let's go ahead and write a letter of authorization. We're going to go ahead. The first thing we're going to do is we need to add the details. So let's add the date. Let's add the name of authorized. This is whoever is giving the permission. This could be yourself, or if you're doing it on behalf of somebody else, you'll have to put their name in there. You also have to add a full address. This means the address of the person that is the authorized, which in this case would be you or on somebody else's behalf. Next, we're going to start our letter here and we say, to whom it may concern. This could be addressed to anybody that is concerning in this matter. We're going to go here, and the body of this letter of authorization will read, we, the undersigned, authorize, and then you're going to put the name of the person that you are granting permission to. Okay? Full name, to act on our behalf in all matters relating to, and you are going to state all the permissions that you are granting right over here. This can be as detailed as you would like it to be. Also, you can make it as simple as you would like it to be, but make sure that you are putting in the permissions granted so that it is understood properly. Here, thereafter, the authorized shall, in respect of these concerns, the permissions previously granted, sign all the documents enclosed herewith and any action taken on our behalf in the name of the authorized, which is, again, you or the person you're writing this on behalf of, shall be the same effect. This means you are giving and granting permission to the authorized, and you're giving all of the permissions that you're stating here granted in full effect. The authorization shall remain valid till further notice. This means until you have implemented a document to reverse this letter of authorization or the permissions granted, you're going to go ahead and this will be valid until such point. The next section we're going to go and put in here is the end of our letter of authorization. We're going to say yours sincerely. You're going to put your signature there, or the signature of the person that you're writing on behalf of. You'll also have that person's name. And then you're going to type out or write out documents attached with this letter. And this is basically all the documents that are attached here. And you can list them, be it an identification card, maybe a driver's license, maybe a proof of address, proof of account, whatever the case may be, you are going to list it here. You have now granted authorization to the authorized. I hope this video was helpful.